pronotum we will mention it. This one, this structure is that pronotum when it's a broader. Okay, so now you have to turn it like this. Okay, you have to turn it like this. If you want, you can remove these legs also, no problem, but we have to be beware that scissor, we have to be beware with the
left no right handed.
no problem. He is our kid only, no, like this. Okay, so now you go like this. Okay, at the ventral side we are cutting to see the digestive system. We are not seeing that nervous system here.
Okay.
So that's what directly we are cutting here. Okay, so
You're showing which system, ma'am?
digestive system, ma'am.
Okay.
These legs you will remove. If it is very small, so it will come out. If you want to remove things, at the base you have to hold it, otherwise it will tear off entire organism, because very small thing and soft tissue. Okay.
You want to try tearing? You can tear in this one. No?
No, she is scared of that. She is scared of that.
Where is the other?
It's going to be moved or water? After taking water, it's going to be moved. We will use pins.
You want to try this? Try this
Nidha.
one from the base you cut it. Okay? Hold this one.
आप सीधे उल्टा कर दे, लेफ्ट राइट को चेंज कर दे, लेफ्ट हैंड रे कॉकरोचटा को धा
রাইট হ্যান্ডে সেটা এটা ধরিব
कैसी थी रोडे फोटो करे कौन पूरा पतला है
Oh, wow.
You can see that stomach gizzard.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now the large one, whatever you are seeing, is that stomach.
सीधी उधर देखा
Okay.
बस
Below
ऊपर
this one, this
हाथ
is the
रखी बिना
gizzard.
लोग से।
These things are there. No,
Very
whatever
good,
that
very
white
neat.
color one, the white color one is there. No.
You should hold it.
The white means like this and all fat body.
Okay.
This and all fat bodies, which will be used like excretory organs, like also here. So now you can see that this is hepatic CK.
ওকে
Okay, this one hepatic CK.
হোয়াইট হোয়াইট
White
ফিলামেন্টাস
things. Okay. So now we are going to be
सीधी
see
तू
that
बाहर कुछ ना
meso,
कौन?
meso. We are
Super,
bringing
super.
like this.
Okay.
Okay. So now we can see that this is and all between that foregut and then mesogut. Okay. So or midgut we can consider here is the hepatic CK. So now here will be like a hindgut, right? Between these two. Here will be malphizian.
सीधी
That
बाबा
will
से
be there here.
टॉयलेट करती कैसे चावल चा ये वो
The hepatic CK has come out so well.
So here malphizian tubules also will appear very nicely. You have to remove these fat things and all. So it
Yes.
like this. So it will be connected to that rectum. Very clearly it can be seen that rectum connection and all. Little lengthy, it's a coiled thing is there. We will remove that. I will remove this one. Now you can see that. You can see here is that malphizian tubule.
yellowish
Yellowish things. Okay. This is connecting.
सी तू कवर लागना बाबा खोल दो
Is this disturbing? Now you can see very clearly that thing. Yeah, ma'am. Here is a hepatic CK. Here is that malphizian tubules. Here is that hindgut, and here is a rectum.
Rectum.
Okay, and here it's going to be seen that esophagus. So this and all esophagus.
They have their heart also.
13.
Heart, chambered heart, 13 chambered heart,
Okay.
but it's not shown here. Tubular heart. We broken it actually.
Oh, okay, okay.
We cut it. This one. Yes, it came up. Okay. Still, if you remove here, we can see from here onwards. You can see that it's not staying. Very small cockroach. You can see it.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
you have to do it. Only that thing. Without breaking. How we went here without breaking like that.